Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving right into the very heart of the modern data annotation industry. Specifically, we're going to fix the one critical logic error that's literally keeping you from unlocking those high-paying AI training tasks. If you've been grinding away on data platforms and feeling totally stuck with low-paying, repetitive microtasks, well, you are definitely not alone. Today, we're breaking down exactly how you prove your expertise, give AI companies exactly what they're actually looking for, and finally upgrade from a basic user to a highly paid professional. All right, let's talk numbers. $54.50 an hour. That is the going rate for a verified Tier 3 senior specialist. Now, I know what you're thinking. A lot of people see a rate like that and immediately assume, well, I don't have a master's degree in computer science, and I definitely don't have a decade of machine learning experience, so no way. But that is a massive misunderstanding of how this industry works. To get this verified RLHF specialist rate, you absolutely do not need years of experience. What you do need, however, is the right proof of result. You have to prove to the system that you know how to think. So you're probably wondering, if experience isn't the barrier, why are you still missing out on the premium stuff? Honestly, it comes down to something most users don't even know exists: automated platform filters. Think about it. Sites like Outlier, Appen, or TELUS have literally millions of users. There is no human being sitting in an office manually reading through every single new profile to spot potential. Instead, they use automated filters that act like bouncers at an exclusive club, scanning for specific proof of expertise. If that proof isn't explicitly verified on your profile, the system just ignores you. You are locked out of the VIP pool before you even get a chance to play. And it really comes down to a tale of two profiles. On the one hand, you've got the generalist. No proof, no verified skills, just stuck endlessly doing simple, low-paying tasks. On the other hand, you have the verified RLHF specialist, the Tier 3 senior. This is exactly who those automated filters are hunting for. You're either an ignored generalist or a highly sought-after senior specialist. And the crazy thing is, that entire distinction is based on what you put into your profile and how you verify it. Which brings us to the biggest, yet surprisingly most easily fixable mistake out there. People get so hyped to start working. They create their profiles, and then they just skip the certifications section. Seriously, do not leave your RLHF certifications blank. So many users just fail to hit upload on their specific certifications, or they skip the platform's internal credential exams. When you leave that blank, the system's filter instantly slaps a basic label on your account, blocking you from the good tasks. Hitting upload and providing that proof, that's your VIP pass. To really grasp why this is so crucial, we have to look at what we're actually doing here. We're talking about RLHF, which stands for Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback. Now that sounds super technical, but it basically means you aren't just a clicker. You are the human feedback loop. AI models are incredibly smart, for sure, but they have zero built-in understanding of human values, nuance, or logic, unless a human teaches them. By doing RLHF, you're literally shaping the AI's behavior, making sure it acts in a way that's safe, helpful, and logical. And that human feedback is exactly what builds ground truth models. Ground truth is basically the gold standard of this industry. It's the unbiased, perfectly clean, high-integrity data that AI companies desperately need to train their foundational base models. Companies are pouring absolute millions into generating this data because they know one simple rule: bad data creates biased, broken AI. If the foundation is cracked, the whole house falls down. That was exactly why data integrity is absolutely everything. It's the actual product they are buying from you. Because of that obsession with data integrity, these companies operate on a very strict philosophy. They want professionals, not clickers. Look, anyone can rapidly click A or B to burn through a task queue, but clickers destroy data integrity. So they will gladly, and I mean gladly, pay a massive premium, like that $54 an hour, for verified experts who actually care about the quality of the data. They're looking for critical thinkers who respect the process and understand the huge downstream impact of the work they do every day. All right, moving right along to step 1, the logic test. Let's break down this step-by-step masterclass workflow. So, once your profile is finally optimized and you bypass those automated filters, you're going to face an internal assessment. This is where they double-check if your actual skills match your shiny new profile. To ace this, there's a 3-step workflow. First, read the prompt incredibly carefully. Do not skim. Second, actively hunt down any logical contradictions in the AI's response. Third, and this is the big one, you have to explain why the model is wrong. You absolutely must use the chain of thought reasoning method here. Don't just give a yes or no answer. Actually, scratch that. Never just give a yes or no. Walk the reviewer through your logic step by step and drop in industry terms like data integrity or ETL, extract, transform, and load to show them you're the real deal. Now, you might be thinking, wow, this sounds a little intense. Well, it is. High-tier projects demand a staggering 95% accuracy rate. There is literally almost zero margin for error here. If you're reviewing a sample and you miss just one tiny logical contradiction or a slight hallucination, your quality score takes a hit. And if it drops below that threshold, boom, you lose your access to the premium tasks. Precision isn't just nice to have, it's entirely non-negotiable. Let's make this concrete with a real-world scenario you might actually see. Take a second to think about this. Imagine an AI model gives a lightning-fast, 100% factually accurate answer. But it delivers that answer using a super condescending, downright rude tone. So how do you rate its helpfulness versus its safety? I mean, the facts are right, so it's helpful, yeah, but it's being a total jerk, so it fails the safety constraint. How in the world do you balance that? Well, if we look at standard RLHF guidelines, you have to carefully weigh that factual accuracy against strict safety and tone rules. In the world of AI alignment, a condescending tone is a massive safety failure, even if the math or the facts are totally perfect. An AI that insults the user isn't aligned with human values, which means it compromises data integrity. You'd actually have to penalize the model heavily for its tone, and then use your chain of thought logic to explain exactly why being factually right doesn't give the AI a free pass to be rude. Here's another quick technical hurdle you'll probably face. Can you explain the primary difference between SFT, supervised fine-tuning, and RLHF? Basically, SFT is teaching the model how to talk by showing it great examples. RLHF, on the other hand, is teaching the model what is good or bad to say, based entirely on human preferences and rewards. Being able to explain that core difference clearly in just one sentence is exactly the kind of deep, logical understanding those companies are aggressively filtering for. So let's put it all together. What does your ultimate toolkit, your Senior Data Pro tech stack, actually look like? Number 1, you need that RLHF certification proudly verified on your profile. Number 2, you need absolute mastery over chain of thought logic so you can articulate your reasoning flawlessly. And number 3, basic SQL. Once your profile and logic are locked in, knowing basic SQL to query complex data is your next big leap. Linking those 3 skills together, that makes you virtually irreplaceable. Okay, I need to be totally real with you for a second here. Please listen closely to this part. The hard truth of this industry is that shortcuts lead straight to platform bans. In a business that relies 100% on data integrity, cheating is the ultimate deal breaker. If you try to rush your certs, use a bot to write your chain of thought logic, or try to game those automated filters, you will permanently lose your account. There is no bounce back from a data integrity ban, period. You really have to shift your entire mindset here. Data integrity is your career now. Whether you're logging in for 5 hours a week as a side hustle or doing this 50 hours a week, you have to treat the work with immense respect. Treat every single task, every prompt, and every evaluation like you are sitting for a final professional exam. That specific level of dedication, that is exactly what translates into that top-tier $54 an hour compensation. So we've totally cracked the code today. We know the automated filters are acting as bouncers looking for verified proof. We get why ground truth data is so critical, and we know exactly how to use chain of thought reasoning to ace those logic tests. The only question left on the table is, are you ready to prove your skill and become a verified senior data professional? Update those blank certifications today and bring that rigorous logic to every single task. Because as these AI models get smarter and smarter, they are going to need incredibly brilliant human minds to keep them aligned. The real question isn't just if you can pass today's test, it's whether your human reasoning can outpace the very machines you're training for tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.